Rapping is my hobby, I drop a verse from time to time, let off a little steam, whatever happens to be on my mind, put it on paper, then I drop it in a track, listen to it a couple of times, slouch and lean back, thinking I wrote that, man. I love the creativity, writing schemes and plots like a nativity play you might have performed as a child from back in the day, listening to beats by Dre, laying lyrics down, couple of glasses of whiskey, got the rhymes pouring out of me like an alcoholic spoke a bottle, I couldn't be without it. G, the best people in the game are ones surrounding me, but I rhyme on my own and it's only myself I gotta hold down, but it feels like I'm underwater and I'm gonna drown. The class clown in front of his computer feeling wrapped out. Should I pass out? No. Should I give up? No. Should I carry on? Yes. Yes, well here I go. It's a show with the star of the show. It's Mr. Stevie B Ho, looking G'd up with some new clothes. The spirit is in me. Jack D, vodka or whiskey, you name it. Tomorrow's rapping Craig David, ain't nothing to play with. No, he ain't nothing to play with. Tomorrow's rapping Craig David, he ain't nothing to play with. And that's me. Kiss my ass cheeks.